When we want to pass a knot in the rope, it's just a matter of adding in another one of these top crucics. So if you imagine that little light tan spot would be a knot that we need to pass. I've got my red head, my top one, and my lower one, and I've just happened to bring along another red one. I just reach up above, do a 2-wrap crucic, that's going to replace the one I have. Basically just take a carabiner. I want to slide this blue one up fairly high so I can stand up, clip into my harness, and now I'm being held by the upper red one. You can see that the lower red one has nothing on it. So I can leave both those red ones in place. That's providing me my double coverage while I take this blue one off and move it up. Now, I have a lot of stuff hanging from this. Get myself off the carabiner. Depending on what other pieces you're using, it might be easier to just undo them all. I think in this case, with just 2 wraps, it'll be just as good to put them all the way through. Now I have this one. Remember, it goes below the red one. So it's going to be above the knot. Clip back in so that I'm protected. Step into the harness, or to the loop. And now at this point I can stand up, move the red one up. I'm now above the knot. And I can remove this one or just disconnect it and leave it. If I'm going to be coming back down later, it'd be there for me, or I could take it off and take it with me. When we come to a knot we want to pass, all we're doing is replacing another top crucic above. So once we've tied one of those on, that would be tied on above the knot. We'd want to be able to attach that into our harness as well. So for a moment we're tied in 3 places. Now, since we're in 3 places, we can disconnect from the blue one. Move it above the knot, but below our red head crucic. Reattach this one to our foot and reconnect ourselves to our harness through it, so we're now connected in with 3 again. We can remove this bottom one out of the way and then proceed up the rope, standing, pushing up and lifting up the foot one, loading it, lifting up, continuing on.